Yeah, I like using Loctite super glue. To me, this works the best. It dries really fast. It holds. Cheap super glue will work, but it doesn't work as fast. Contact cement will work. It doesn't work as fast. I like doing things quickly when I'm working with these bellows. The first thing you got to do is make yourself a hinge. The hinge allows the bellow to go up and down. And so I cut a little piece of Tyvek paper off, and I'm going to put it onto the bottom part of the bellow first. This is after you got it all cleaned off. Rubbing across the wood a few times with my finger. Can't get your finger in there, use a flat tip screwdriver or something. And once you think that's dry, go ahead and put it on the top part. Now I'm trying to see if I can get this top paper to lift up some without damaging it, but I'm not going to be able to do that, so I'm just going to go ahead and glue this on. Make sure it's nice and even. And now we have a hinge. I'm going to go ahead and glue the rest of the paper down. I don't want to cut it off. Now, I purchased my Tyvek paper through eBay. It comes in an envelope like this. I purchased them through Timesavers, and that's what I'm working with here. It comes in a folded sheet, which I don't like. When you purchase it through Timesavers, you just go ahead and open up eBay. I'll go ahead and open up the package and show you. I think there's 20 sheets in here. Yeah, 20 sheets. And they come in this width right here. Well, this width, for most cuckoo clocks, you could cut this piece of paper down. And so instead of having 20 sheets, you don't have 40 sheets. But I could probably even use this paper for this clock here too, because I think it's going to be about the right width. And it'll give you instructions on how to use this paper. Some people use the post office paper. Some people use Tyvek's coveralls. I purchased my paper. You do what you want. Next thing we're going to do, I got a piece of paper here already cut. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to measure. We're going to wrap this thing around here until we get about where we want it on the piece that we already glued on, and that's about where I want it. So I'm going to go ahead and with my pen I'm going to mark that, and then I got extra here, so I'm going to mark that because I want to cut it off. And I always save these extra pieces. These extra pieces can be used to make hinges. So, I'm testing it again to make sure I have enough, and then I got it marked in the right spot. I actually don't have it marked in the right spot. I'm going to remark it. When you're working with these triangle bellows, they're a little bit more difficult to deal with, and that looks good to me. So I'm going to stop this video, and in the next video we're going to glue this bellow up. If I get too long of a video, it's harder. It takes a while for my internet to post it to YouTube. My internet's slow, so we'll come back in the next video.